Okay, so we're working on a Range Rover Evoque 2-liter. Came in with rough running. I've got some cam correlation codes. I got a bunch of codes. At any rate, I know it's timing chain and or the VVT sprockets. I'm just doing this quick. Got the valve cover off, intake manifold off, starter out. Just a brief thing to talk about here. You position the cam lock on top. You can see down here there's another cam lock after you get the starter out, and it locks the flywheel. And now there's a couple of others that are, I don't know why you have to lock it in 15 different spots, but there's another one that goes on to here, times this balancer and the reluctor wheel on it to the crank sensor. Why don't you do this for me? And then there's another one behind the crank sensor. There's another lock that goes in there. I'm sure if you've looked online, you'll see a bunch of them. Why you have to lock that in so many different spots is beyond me. The book time on this is around 7 hours, and that is not anywhere near what you guys are going to do. Maybe if you've done 3-4 in a row, you'll be able to get on them. But also notice too, this VVT sprocket is pooched. The chain will move almost a quarter turn before the camshaft would rotate. Kind of that's the tell for one of the problems anyways. I'm assuming when I get the cover off, I'm going to see some more slack in the chain as well. Anyway, if you think you're going to pull this off in 7 hours, well, if you can, my hat's off to you. But you're going to lose your shirt on the first one. So charge accordingly.